bird. The bird is scared, I think.
This is the little guy
Make a video.
right here that has been digging in our plants
He wants food.
and putting his food in there. Bit my sunflower, which is very, very nice, and it was my big one that he bit. He's a fucking prick. There's Skylar right there chilling. He's like, what the hell are you doing, squirrel? He's like, go and get it now before I bite your ear off. Why is it shaking so much?
He's trying to get the food. We need to get.
Look, he's trying to get up in there.
He's got it. He's getting it.
He stole the food. He stole Skylar's bread. Skylar is going to go on attack mode and eat him.
Touch. Yes, because I've been feeding
Skylar's
for
chilling.
4 years.
This guy right here is a little thief. And he likes to dig in our plants. He'll come straight up to me. He's a little evil one.
He's my squirrely friend, huh?
Look at this
4
guy.
years, huh? Get that bitch out.
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Go that way. Bitch ass squirrel. Try to attack the bird.